Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage custom statues on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here you will find set statues. Click on it. Here you will find here set custom statues. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage your custom statue settings. And after this, after you edit your custom statues, just click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.